today we are making a new delicious recipe called Seekh Kababs. Let's begin! So we have keema half kg. Alright guys, now we'll put our brown peppers 2 tablespoons, whole coriander 1 teaspoon, roasted cumin powder 1 teaspoon, rind flour 2 tablespoons, salt to taste, and now we'll add chili flakes 1 tablespoon, garam masala half teaspoon, turmeric powder half teaspoon, fresh coriander leaves 2 tablespoons. Now we'll grind it. And now we'll put our grinder mixture in the bowl. And now we'll add ginger garlic 1 tablespoon. And now we'll add ghee 1 tablespoon. And now we'll mix it well. Grease your hand with some oil. And now we'll make Seekh Kababs. Like this, as you can see, and please leave a like on this video. And now you can also make a kebab with the help of straw. As you can see, we have a straw. And now we'll put the chicken on the batter. And as you can see, our perfectly Seekh Kabab is ready. And now as you can see, it is perfectly done. And our more Seekh Kababs are also ready, as you can see. I can't wait to fry, and then I will eat them. And now we'll put some oil for frying. As you can see, we put some oil. And now we'll put our Seekh Kabab in there. 1 goes in, 2 goes in, 3 goes in. And eventually the 4th one will go in. As you can see, we'll turn our kebabs after when the other side gets golden brown. As you can see, golden brown it is. And it looks literally so delicious. I can't wait for this to get ready. Okay guys, it's ready, and Allah Hafiz. See you in the next video.